years. Alright, I started at the age of 8 and now I'm 28. Okay, muda lagi belum kahwin Ada siapa ada nak calon ni calon tau, calon Alright, okay. So 20 years experience. Okay, bukan nak kata saya ni hebat, tidak. Okay, ada yang lebih hebat nanti anda boleh tengok. Memang ada yang lebih hebat. Okay, but the thing is that your determination. Okay, your determination. Apa you nak belajar? Because in martial arts, there's nothing that we can say you have learned everything. Every day there's something new. Even until today, saya masih lagi tengah belajar. Walaupun saya tengah mengajar, pada masa yang sama saya masih lagi tengah belajar sebenarnya. Am I right, Vincent?
Yes, Guna. So I think one thing that we must say here is that we must thank the parents for being here today, rather than being in the shopping center or in another event somewhere else, or going to Kenduri and all this. Because this is a good investment. He's a testimony to it, right? 8 years old, started learning, until now he's still learning. So it's a good investment for your children. It's lifelong learning, right? And especially now in the situation with crime in our country, right? This is self-protection. This is very much needed. So you are not wasting your time here. You are doing something right, and especially in the presence of our grandmasters, our masters who are seated up there, and you can see actually what I wanted to say, Guna. That you can see all the masters are seated at one corner of the VIP area. That shows that humble, how humble they are, even though they are grandmasters. So this is one character that we must all emulate.
Okay, let us all of us give them a big round of applause.
And to the parents themselves as well.
To the parents as well. Sebab parents, minggu depan Deepawali, betul tak? Even see, myself Deepawali pun ada kat sini, mak saya tengah bising kat bawah. Dia kata, gue belum buat rumah, belum cat lagi, itu, ini, muha, tapi saya masih lagi dekat sini. The passion. Betul tak? The passion that we have. Actually, the grandmasters yang tengah duduk dekat atas tu very simple lah. Okay, they have dedicated their life, they have dedicated their time, they have dedicated everything. Sacrifice is the main ingredient in order for you to be successful. Betul tak? Grandmasters, betul. Dia dah mula angguk kepala dah. Yang kata betul lah tu. Okay, so that is the thing lah. Alright. And another one more thing is actually parents have to play a big role dekat sini. Okay, some parents, dia hanya mementingkan kurikulum daripada co-curriculum. Alright. Memang education is very important. At the same time, we must have some activities for the children. Okay, badan beruniform. Okay, even martial arts is also considered as badan beruniform. Okay, they must learn because of the crime yang Encik Clinton katakan tadi, due to the crimes that crime rate memang tinggi dan juga sebagainya. Okay, so they will have some protection. Okay, they know how to protect themselves. Alright, even now you see girls, okay, are very attached, or they get harmed very easily. Alright, so in this case, okay, how for them to protect themselves? How do they want to protect themselves? So these are the things that we have girls martial arts. Mr. Clinton, I think that what I got to know is you are very specialized in girls martial arts. Am I right?
Girls martial arts, what do you mean?
No, I mean in the sense of teaching girls how to protect themselves.
So I think what you can see here today, later, you can see a performance by a group of students from MMU, right? So this is something that Stel has been doing for the last 2 years, right? Because in university, everybody only like to learn IT, business, all the usual courses, but we don't make a self-defense,
yes, exactly,
compulsory course, right? So, especially for ladies, right, young adults, this is very important.
Yes, that's it. So, itu kata Mr. Clinton tadi. Okay, we have a lot of children at the age of 5, 6, even at the age of 4, start to learn Taekwondo. Not even Taekwondo, other martial arts such as like Silat, Karate, Jiu-Jitsu, okay, Aikido and all those things. Alright, simply beautiful. Okay, for the past 20 years, masa I tengah belajar sekalipun, I only concentrate more on Taekwondo. Tapi selepas join dengan Stealth Martial Arts, alright, Stealth, I tend to know what is Karate, I tend to know what is Jiu-Jitsu, I test what is ninja and all those things. Banyak sangat belajar. Okay, because they are not only focusing on one martial art itself, but they are going on multiple martial arts. So they have students on multiple martial arts skills. One thing that I have to thank our master, okay, Master Suhaizi, okay, he has been very helpful. Okay, kalau saya di sini, bukan kerana dia, kalau bukan kerana dia, saya tidak berada di sini hari ini. Okay, so I believe